What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Soulfly Trades here, back with another banger. And in this video, I will be having the live trade recaps of the basically the three trades that I took today. Um, One was a loser on SPY for what was it? For longs, and actually I took four trades if you want to be correct. I went long on my futures account, which I could show you guys. I just closed it out. But I went long on my futures account, only made $18.75 because I cut it on the pullback because I wasn't liking it because we failed my level on SPY that I was ultimately looking to hold. And if we failed that level on SPY, which was this 524 area, I knew we would probably sell off. Since this is a key level that I have, a key level of supply turn demand and demand turn back into supply. Um, so yeah, I cut that play. I made $18.75. You guys will see that on my live trading recap. And for SPY and QQQ, I took the shorts in on this candlestick right here. I got in around 523.96 ish area. Price target was this demand area that we have here. Played out pretty beautifully. I don't look to sit around the charts all day. Yes, I'm missing this move here, but you know, one and done. I don't need to catch everything, especially with my strategy. All I need is one good play, and I'm straight, man. As far as QQQ is concerned, um, I basically took the same thing on QQQ. I got in on this. It was a little aggressive on QQQ, I might say. Um, but I seen SPY failing, so QQQ usually follows. I got in on this candlestick right here. My stop would have been a break above these highs in this area. Price target was this demand zone, but I didn't want to wait through this pullback, so I got out on this candlestick right here. Um, Made about, how much did I make? I made about $38 on QQQ. I was up like 50 something before the pullback started to happen. And I made $40 on SPY. It was really more than that. I made 61, but my first trade that I lost. So it basically canceled out the losers right there. That's what I mean. You want your winners to be bigger than your losers. Only trading one contract on each, so aiming for around $50 a day, which is around $1,000 extra a trading month, which I'll take. Anybody will take that extra stack a month. You know, just getting back in my groove. My problem usually is once I start going on like winning streaks or whatnot, I try to scale up, which I shouldn't do and I won't do because that's how I always get smacked. But yeah, I'll have the live trading recap for you guys to see it. But other than that, I appreciate everybody for tuning in and stay tuned for those live trade recaps. Peace. All right. So I'm in a trade right now off of my key level here. We've been trailing down the whole pre-market, but I'm off of this. I'm long off of this 5310 key level. We dipped below it and reclaimed it. I got in on this candlestick right here. Um, right at my level, basically. Stop loss will be under the lows of when market opened. Just trying to see what we can get here with price. QQQ is exploding right now. I just want to see what's going to happen, honestly. I'm not really putting my hopes and dreams into this trade. And I'm trading micros anyway, so about a 33 tick profit target. Just seeing what'll happen here. SPY is rejecting that 524 area, which would be this area around here, for MES. So if we can, you know, close above this area, I'd be more confident in this trade. But I definitely wanted to try this trade here. Could end up stopping me out since we had like a sell-off coming into the market. But you know, I'm just following my trade plan. I've seen a lot of buying volume here in this candlestick, so you know, I'm just going with price action. And price action on my futures is telling me to buy. I don't have quite a signal yet on my options cash account to go long or short at this moment, because at this moment it looks like price might want to reclaim this area. But once again, you know, you don't know until the market actually happens. But we will see. QQQ again is looking strong. It just pushed up basically almost $2 at market open. So QQQs are looking strong here. Let's go on my Discord. Got a nice push here. I just need us to close above this swing, which will have me more confident in this trade here. So far, I'm up $52. Unrealized. So, you know, I'm not going to get all happy here since it's unrealized. But SPY is now wicking off of this 524 area. Once again, my stop loss is around what, 20 ticks. Smaller stop loss than usual. Usual stop loss is around 30, 35, but given price action, I could have a slightly tighter stop. Yeah, the Qs are looking strong, man. If we hold above this 446 on QQQ, you know, and retest it, I might look to go long to 449. Wow, contracts are kind of expensive here. I might go for these 448 contracts on QQQ if I do take a trade. Only one contract. I'm waiting for a pullback, honestly. We have reclaimed this 524 area on SPY, which is looking really good. I could consider a long option here on SPY. Let's just go to my contracts. SPX is looking pretty strong. Although we are wicking at these previous trading days highs. I'm gonna just get my calls set up here. I'm liking these longs here. I might stab one contract. We did have some increase in volume there on the 2 minute. Yeah, I might go long here. Might try this. Just looking at the overall market to see where we are. Okay, this is my hourly. Just waiting to see, because if we can get a little pullback, I'd love to get in at a better price. This is what I'm looking at, my 5 minute and my 2 minute over here, so you guys can see this really quick. I'm looking at my smaller time frames for entries. I'm just making sure buyers want to hold this. Alright, I might try to stab it here. I'm in long one contract on SPY. About to create my stop loss. I bought it for around 89 bucks, so had a 30-cent stop loss at 69. Boom. All right, cool. I got my stop loss set. Let's check on this futures really quick. Futures are looking pretty decent. Just waiting for that. Hopefully this push. Price is pulling back to this 446 here on QQQ. I might be interested to take those longs. Again, one contract. I'm gonna show you guys this right here. This is what I'm looking at on my lower time frames. I've seen us hold this 524 here on this 2 minute. Same thing with my 5 minute, and the 15 minute was looking pretty good. 15 minute candlestick. So I'll aim for this other end, this 525.7 area. But it'll be awesome just to have a little bit of follow through here. Future's still looking pretty decent so far. I'm just letting it run, honestly. to my price target. We have broke this high, this area that I did want to break on my futures. I just would like a close above it. Hourly still looking pretty decent. Price is making a retracement here. I have my stop loss set, so if it stops me out, it just stops me out. SPX is kind of trailing here. I would like it to hold this 5259.77 area. That would be ideal for me. It's like right above my stop loss. Oopsie. Just so you guys see, full transparency, it's like right above my stop loss. But one trade doesn't make or break you, so you know, if it goes against me, it's just I was in at the wrong time, in the wrong direction, and that's fine. But price broke below this level, reclaimed it, sort of held it, so I was interested in longs. Alright, it stopped me out on my cash account. How much did I lose there? On 30 bucks. I know what I lost. $21. Let's look at this futures account. Let me take a look at QQQ. also not interested to take a lot of trades today. I might exit out of my futures trade depending on price action, because I'm looking at my smaller time frames on SPY here, and it looks like price wants to go to the downside. So I don't want to deny price action. I might close this trade and reevaluate. That's what it's looking like. Just looking at the rest of my time frames here. Unless it just dipped below. The S&P does look like it wants to retrace. Yeah, I'm gonna close this.
Order filled.
Took some unrealized profit, about $18. I mean, it's not much, but I'm not as confident in the trade since SPY basically reclaimed this 524 right here and broke back below it. Now, like, I could be wrong, and my trade could have been in the right direction, but as far as I'm concerned, it looks like we could see a possible retracement. This 15-minute is telling me that we do have buyers here, though, in this general area. So again, I could be wrong, but it is what it is. I might look to short this, honestly. The NASDAQ has some relative strength today as far as market open is concerned. So whenever I feel like I'm going back and forth like how I am right now between calls and puts, I have to sit on my hands and just watch. So that's what I'm gonna do. Although now I feel like I should have let the play just play out. There's no coulda, woulda, shouldas in trading. I closed it, so I closed it. And that's the end of that. Now I just have to wait for another entry. There's no shoulda, woulda, couldas in trading. It's either you do or you don't. But if we fail this 524 area again here on SPY, I'm definitely considering going short. If we fail this area again, I'll consider going short. Although it did just make a higher low in price action terms. So technically, slightly bullish right now towards the upside. But it looks like it's having a hard time in this area. So we'll see. Probably just hold this here and start recording again when I find another trade. So I will be back, because otherwise we'll probably just be sitting here and I'll just be recording, not doing anything. But yeah, once I find another trade again, I'll start the recording again. Alrighty, what it is, party people. So I got in these shorts here off this candlestick. My stop will be break above this level here. Because it completely failed with all this volume right here in this wick. So this looks like a hard level for us to get above. I might look to go short on QQQ. I'm short here on QQQ also. Ooh, let's go. Nice push to the downside. I'm liking that volume on that push down. SPX still has a little bit more ways to go here to the price target that I would be looking. Price did sort of bounce off of my sell, but it's not exactly there. With that kind of volume we just got though, I want to see if we can maybe have another push down. If these two trades do go against me though on SPY and QQQ, I'll be done on my cash account for the day. I don't want to overtrade because then I'll just be trying to make money back, and I don't want to do that. QQQ, my price target is hopefully that 444 area, if we can see it. Now, what could have happened is we could be sweeping liquidities to take price to the upside, but we'll see. So far, it's giving us this bearish action. So I'm gonna just let it run. Again, my price target is a break above this. And same thing for QQQ, is a break above these highs. I'm not quite liking the 15-minute on QQQ, signaling buyers could step in, but I need to wait. Let me just show you guys what QQQ looks like. My stop on QQQ is a break above these highs. Basically, I'm taking the same price action. I do need to use the bathroom though, so I will be back. Okay, so we're still in this trade here. I had to use the bathroom, man. Shoot. Not liking these wicks here on the hourly. But I do like how volume is sort of dying off here on the 5-minute on this push up. Volume is dying here on this push up, which I like. I'm not a huge fan of the 15-minute close there on QQQ or really on SPY. That big wick, I'm not a fan of that. But I'm gonna just let this trade play to see how it goes. SPX is looking pretty decent for a move to the downside on the 5-minute at least. Because it could still hold this prior day close area. I'd like for us to close and stay under that. That would be a little bit more ideal for me. QQQ sort of failing this 446 area. Price target is in this demand area. Want this to be a relatively quick day. That would be beautiful. SPX selling off again, which I like. I might consider holding. SPX breaking below the level I want. We're reaching price targets. So far it looks like. Okay, we broke below my key level. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna sell these SPY contracts. Alright, sold SPY. QQQ is almost at price target. How much money did I make on that? Made 40 bucks on SPY. I'm up a total floating about $34 on QQQ. Oh, let's bring up QQQ now. So you guys can see my price target on QQQ. This is this demand area right here, this 444 area. It's my price target. Might consider just selling here. I might be paper handing, but I'd rather take my profits right now. All right, I'm gonna sell it. Cool beans. I sold it. I sold the QQQ. I'm done for the day. How much money did I make? I made $78 today. That's not bad. After just losing 21. So I really made 90 something dollars, but you know, my first trade was a loser. So $78 on my cash account, as you guys can see here. It's all live for you guys. $78 on that, and cool $18.75 on my challenge, $50,000 challenge account. But yeah, that'll be it for me today. You know, I'm not trying to sit here all day. That's not what my trading strategy is. But other than that, I appreciate everybody for tuning in, and I look forward to doing more videos like this. Oh, and just so you guys know, this is a real account status. It's okay to trade. This is a real account. Obviously, I have my numbers blocked out because I don't want everybody seeing my numbers. But yeah, I appreciate everybody for tuning in, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.